The Northern Lights is a magical occurrence, and scientifically it's explained where sun particles invade the Earth's atmosphere and they rearrange the electrons in the sky. But the native people don't always think so scientifically. And whenever they see the Northern Lights coming, the iridescent green and red colors dancing across the sky, the native people here feel that those are the spirits of their dead ancestors returning to Earth. So the native people will start whistling to help guide the spirits and the lights home. So when you're out there in the bush with the quack-oodles and the clinkets, not only do you have a light show, but you have a sound and light show because the natives are all whistling, calling the ancestors home. I wish everybody could see them, and we may see them from the cruise ship the last couple cruises. If we catch a clear day like this, tonight actually might be a good night to see them.